Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing how to adjust the volume of sound effects for AirPods. Are you having trouble adjusting the volume for sound effects of AirPods? Don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. First, click on settings and then accessibility. Now scroll down till you see AirPods. Now scroll down and you would be able to see the tone volume option. Adjusting this will also adjust the volume of sound effects.